Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Chainlink CCIP access credentials, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Chainlink CCIP access credentials, begin by visiting the official Chainlink documentation website. Look for the section regarding CCIP, which stands for Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol. Familiarize yourself with the basics of CCIP and its use cases in blockchain communication. Next, create a Chainlink account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Chainlink account to access the dashboard. Locate the section for API keys or access credentials within the dashboard. Generate a new access credential specifically for CCIP. Take note of the generated access credential securely, as you will need it for authentication. Now, start your development environment by setting up your preferred blockchain network. Install the required Chainlink libraries and dependencies for your programming environment. In your code, import the necessary modules for Chainlink in your project. Next, implement the authentication request using your access credential. Make sure to include error handling in your authentication code to manage invalid credentials. Test the authentication process to ensure that your credentials are working correctly. Once authenticated, you can proceed to implement CCIP functionalities in your application. Continue to explore other features of CCIP in the documentation for a deeper understanding. Remember to check for updates on access credentials and authentication processes regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.